Pipe facing. At the start of each fusion day, clean the facer with acetone, then wipe facer with a clean terry cloth towel. Clean the pipe ends of dirt and debris, both inside and out, with a terry cloth towel. Swing the facer into position between the pipe ends. Shift the selector valve up to the facing pressure position. Start the facer motor by opening the hand valve and adjust the speed to approximately 5 RPM with the ball valve or facer control valve. Set the facing pressure down to 0 psi by turning the dial all the way to the left. Shift the control valve to the left to engage the facer blades with pipe ends. Slowly increase the facing pressure until the blades start to cut and ribbon is formed. Continue facing until full ribbons are formed on both pipe ends. Face until facer stops reach the machine jaws. Shift the control valve to the neutral position and allow the blades to feather off cutting. Shift the carriage valve to the right to disengage the pipe ends from the facer. Close hand valve to stop facer. Swing the facer back to the storage position and carefully wipe the pipe ends off with a clean cotton rag to remove all debris.